everyone, welcome back to channel. In the yesterday's video we have shown the different languages. Now we will see in brief what are the different languages. So we have shown these are the languages used in machine learning. So let us start with the Python. So as we all know, Python is the 69% of machine learning engineers or developer are using the Python language for data analytics and machine learning purpose. So it is very popular among the data scientists, engineers and the developers. Why? Because it is easy to access, it is easy to handle, easy to transform the data. We can process the data easily with a less amount of code. It is platform independent, it has a less complexity, easily understandable, and most important thing is it has an extensible collection of libraries and packages. There are multiple packages available in Python which you can use directly instead of writing the code. So this is the best advantage of Python. So it is a preferred programming language for the machine learning engineers. Also, these are some of the companies where widely Python is used, such as Google, Instagram, Facebook, Dropbox, Netflix, Disney, YouTube, Uber, Amazon and Reddit. So these are the companies which are wisely using the machine learning algorithm, and to occupy or to approach the machine learning algorithm they are using the Python. The next one is the R. R is also similar to Python. It is mostly used by the non-programmer who are not comfortable with the programming languages to do the data analysis or data mining. It is used to crunch a large numbers whenever we are dealing with the numerical data. R programming is used widely. Um, Preferred choice for lot of statistical data, as I told. Whenever numerical data comes into picture, R is chosen over Python. It is also open source, it is cost effective. It supports the natural implementation of matrix and the other data structures like vector, where Python does not support, so that is the advantage. It is flexible, and again R is also platform. Means we can work on multiple platforms in R language. So this is the advantages of R programming language, which makes it more popular in the machine learning industry. Next is the Java. So everyone is comfortable with Java and everyone knows Java. So the advantage of Java is many big data languages such as Hadoop, Sparks are written in Java. So they are comfortable with Java. Machine learning engineers can integrate the existing code repositories in machine learning with the help of Java. It is easy to use. Package services is also available in Java. We can use third party libraries for machine learning using Java. It is a in JVM, Java ML is one of the built-in library available in Java which provides you the machine learning algorithms implemented in Java. Similarly, we have in Python libraries. In the same way, in Java we have Java ML, which is a package or which is a library which will provide you the machine learning algorithms. The JavaScript, why it is used? It is scalable. We can develop a large amount of ML applications from scratch in Java and JavaScript. We can work, we can use the same code on multiple platforms with the help of Java. We can create custom tools with the use of different IDs as we do in the normal web development. And it is best for speed critical project. Whenever the speed is important, we can go with Java, since it involves the real-time processing. Scala or Hadoop, these are the real-time processing applications. So here we can use the Java or JavaScript, and it is fast executing, and there are multiple hyperparameter tuning libraries are also present in Java and JavaScript. So what is hyperparameter? It is a concept related to machine learning. Next is the Lisp. This is the language that is least processing language, which was developed by AI centric, which is developed for AI centric applications, means artificial intelligence related applications, by John McCarthy in 1958. So this is the least processing library or least processing programming language. Next, it is dynamically typed as the other languages. It can be used for logic related problems and machine learning. Logic related means statistical problems. It has dynamic object creation capabilities, prototyping capabilities, automatic garbage collection. It is flexible. It supports different symbolic expressions. The only disadvantage is it does not support some of the well-known machine learning libraries, so it is not widely used. Also, it is not that much beginner friendly language, so it is difficult for a beginner, and also it does not have a large variety of packages similar to Python or R. So this is a disadvantage of list processing programming language. That's why it is not used widely as comparison to Python and R. So this was the basic explanation of all the languages. I hope everyone is clear with the idea. For more such videos, stay tuned. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and definitely subscribe the channel. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.